Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shykoh. If it's your first time here, karibu sana. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today's video, I want to show you guys how to prepare grilled chicken using the grilling pan. We are not using the oven. I have a video on this channel where I've used an oven to grill chicken before, but on this video we're going to be using a grilling pan. It is so easy and easily accessible. So yeah, before we get into it, kindly subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up. Yes, let's get started.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
So guys, here is my chicken and here is the grilling pan. This is the Dessini grilling pan. It's what we are going to be using to make the grilled chicken. It's of course our chicken, which has been cut into small pieces. Onions, garlic, ginger. Then I have curry powder, just a mix of spices that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna tell you the specific spice that I use as we marinate the chicken. So I've added my spices. We have garam masala, cumin, coriander powder, thyme, salt, curry powder, mixed spices, black pepper, and salt. I've just used the spices that I have. And I've not put in specific quantities. I've just put according to the size of my chicken. I have 2 chickens, so you just measure and put the quantity that will be enough for your amount of chicken. Make sure your hands are clean. So make sure that you have mixed your spices well. And then our pan is heating. So let it heat for about 2 minutes and then we can grill the chicken. Now placing our chicken on the pan. It's already hot.
Kwa nyumba uko na makeup artist na mpikaji bado?
As a woman, you have to add words to yourself. So because my chicken is a lot, I'm gonna cook in 2 portions. So yeah, we're gonna cover this and let it cook for 10 minutes. So 10 minutes on one side, and then we're gonna overturn it and it cook 10 minutes on the other side. This is how our chicken is progressing. I'm going to put onions, garlic and ginger, and then we can let it cook for the complete 10 minutes and then turn it to the other side of the pan. So I'm separating my portions so this will cook the other chicken that is left. 10 minutes later, I've overturned the pan, as you can see, and this is our progress. So we're gonna let this cook for another 10 minutes and it will be ready. So results. This is my second lot of chicken. So I want to add my onions, garlic and ginger. And we're gonna cover it. Here is the progress. You can see the chicken is cooking nicely. I've not added any water. So yeah, don't add water. This is just the chicken producing its own soup. So we're gonna let this continue to cook. So I've turned the chicken, I've turned the pan, as you can see, so that the other side of the chicken can also cook. So guys, after 10 minutes on both sides, after turning both sides, 10 minutes, 10 minutes. This is how it looks like, but you don't have to follow my exact timing because I don't know heat yako iko aje, the level of heat you're using. So just make sure your chicken is ready. You can tell by it browning. You can see how it's browning. Yeah, This is our final result. So I've garnished it with coriander. So guys, this is how the chicken turned out. I loved how moist it was. It was not so dry. Yeah, and I served it with mashed bananas and ripe bananas. You can watch that tutorial also on this channel. I'll leave a link somewhere above there. And also some salad. And yeah, this is such a beautiful meal. I hope that you enjoyed the tutorial. See you on the next one. Bye.